welcome back to this video tutorial. We can discuss about double pointers in this video. What is this double pointer? When a pointer holds the address of another pointer, then such type of pointer is known as pointer to pointer or double pointer. Means a pointer holds the address of another pointer variable. Such pointers are known as double pointer. We can also call it as pointer to pointer. From this diagram, it become more clear what is a double pointer is. Okay, so here we have a particular address location which is pointed by this variable name num. Here it is initialized with a value 123. Okay, so this is the variable name num and the address to which it is pointing is this one, represented using hexadecimal format. Right, and here this PR2 is a pointer variable which is pointing to this particular address location and its content is this one. That means address of this variable. Okay, and here we have one more pointer PR1 which stores the address of this another pointer variable PR2. That is why we can call this PR1 pointer as a double pointer, because this PR1 actually is storing the address of another pointer. Right, so such pointers are called double pointer. Okay, how can we differentiate this double pointer with normal pointers? So for representing or declaring a double pointer, we can use double asterisk symbols like this. So this PR1 and PR2 both are pointer, integer pointers. This is a normal pointer and this is a double pointer. This double pointer can store the address of another pointer. Okay, so here while displaying the value of num, what will it display? It display the value 123. And star PR2 means PR2 pointing to this particular address. That means address of this num variable. Star PR2 means value at that location, that is this 123. Right? Then this star PR1 means what? Star PR1 means we need to identify the address value stored here in this PR1. That is this one. This is the address of another pointer. Again, we need to find the value present that particular address location. That is this PR1 pointing to here. That means address of another pointer PR2. Right? This PR2 is actually pointing to this address location. That means the address of this variable num. So star PR1 returns the value present here in this particular location. Okay, so using this double pointer, we can return the value by using this star representation. Okay, now we can consider a program example. Right, here we have the variable num with value 123, and here is this an integer normal pointer variable PR2 and double pointer PR1. PR2 is initialized with the address of variable num and PR1 is initialized with the address of this pointer PR2. Right? So after this initialization, we can display these values. Value of num is displayed here using the variable name itself. Right? And again, value of the variable num is displayed here using this pointer PR2. How can we display using this pointer? Using the syntax star PR2 display the value of this variable num, because PR2 hold the address of this variable num here. And using this double pointer also, we can display the same value with the help of this syntax star PR1. Right? So here these three representation returns the same value 123. The first one is directly using the variable name, second one using the pointer PR2, the third one using the double pointer PR1. Okay, so now this is the statement or the printf statement for displaying the address of these variables. First one, display the address of variable num directly using the address format of variable num. Okay, here we have a new type of specifier, that is percentage %p is used instead of percentage %d or percentage %f here. What's the meaning of this percentage %p? This percentage %p can be used for returning or displaying or representing the address information of a pointer or some variable. Okay, so this percentage %p format is used for displaying the address information of a variable or a pointer, right? And the address is represented here using hexadecimal format. With the help of this percentage %p, we can return the address information of a memory word or a memory variable or a pointer. Okay, and the returned address information is represented in hexadecimal format. Okay, instead of this p we can use percentage %d also, right? Okay, this the second printf statement is displayed the address of this number variable using the pointer PR2. Here simply display the value of PR2 because PR2 is a pointer which is initialized with the address of variable num. Okay, so while displaying this PR2 content, it display the same address of this variable num. And here it display the same address of our number variable with the help of our double pointer. Okay, what is the meaning? Star PR1 is displayed here. What is the meaning? PR1 is a double pointer. PR1 actually pointing to address of PR2. From this it is clear that PR1 is pointing to the address of PR2. PR2 is another pointer. Star PR1 means what? Star PR1 hence indicate the address of the number variable because PR2 is already assigned with address of number variable. So star PR1 indicate this value present at PR2. That is the address of number 1. Now we can execute this. Okay, now analyze the result. Using this first printf statement, it displays the value of num directly by displaying this content of this variable, that is 123. And in the second statement, it displays the value of number with the help of this PR2 pointer, that is 123 again displayed here, right? And in the third statement, it displays the same value with the help of our double pointer PR1 with the syntax star star PR1, right? After this, we can display the address. Okay, using the first printf statement, it displays the address of our number variable directly with the help of this address representation @ num. And using the second printf statement, it displays the address of our number variable with the help of our pointer PR2. And using the third printf, in third printf it display the same address of our number variable with the help of our double pointer. So for displaying the address of our number here, actually the address of that number is present in PR2. Okay, that PR2 address is available here in PR1. So star PR2 actually display the value present at PR2, that is the address of number variable. Okay, so both these display the same address information of our variable now using three different methods. Okay, so this is about double pointers or pointer to pointer. Okay, thank you.